Reflection of light. Have you observed the path of light when it strikes the mirror or wall in daily life? Does it move along straight line path or changes its direction? Definition. When light ray strikes the boundary of two media, such as air and glass, a part of light is turned back into the same medium. This is called reflection of light. A highly polished surface, such as a mirror, reflects most of the light falling on it. Laws of reflection. 1. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. And 2. The incident ray, normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. These laws are applicable to all types of reflecting surfaces, including spherical surfaces. Types of reflection. The types of reflection are regular reflection and irregular or diffused reflection. Regular reflection. It occurs when a beam of light falls on a smooth and polished surface, such as a plane mirror. Irregular reflection. It occurs when a beam of light falls on a rough surface, such as wall of a room. Incident ray. Light ray striking a reflecting surface. Points of incidence. The point at which the incident ray strikes the reflecting surface. Reflected ray. The light ray obtained after reflection from the surface in the same medium in which the incident ray is traveling. Normal. The perpendicular drawn to the surface at the point of incidence. Angle of incidence. The angle which the incident ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence. It is denoted by the letter I. Angle of reflection. The angle which the reflected ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence. It is denoted by the letter R. Plane of incidence. The plane containing the incident ray and the normal. Plane of reflection. The plane containing the reflected ray and the normal.
This magnifying glass is making my eye look big. Now, why is that?
I don't know.
Please consider the following.
Okay.
When light enters something like air, water, glass, or plastic, it slows down a little. And when it slows down, it changes direction. See how one eye is lower than the other? See? Take a look at this. Here are 3 straight beams of light. When they go into the piece of plastic straight, they come out straight. But if the plastic is tilted, the beams of light get tilted. See, they change direction so that they come out this side offset. Now, what would happen if the piece of plastic didn't have straight sides, but had a curved side, like a magnifying glass? Well, the light would change direction, right? Because the surface of the plastic is curved, each beam of light enters the piece of plastic at a slightly different angle, and it changes direction a slightly different amount. Look, over here the beams of light come together at a single point. This is called the focal point. Now, what about the magnifying glass? Well, suppose your eye were over here, and light from the room were bouncing off of your eye and going through the piece of plastic this way. Well, then, the small area at this end would be spread out over a large area on this side. Your eye would be magnified. Ha! Thanks for joining me on Consider the Following.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.